Hi, it's Karen with RT Systems. Let's look at a little more about the R1 radio from Rugged Radios. Something sort of inherent to these little radios that have the USB drivers built into the radio. So I've come into the programmer and I'm doing my first communications get data from radio. I've inserted the cable, the radio's on, and I'm going to click OK. No USB device found. Be sure the cable is connected between the computer and the radio is turned on. Well, it's on and it's plugged in. So what's wrong? The first place we're going to start is Device Manager. It's right here. And yes, that's my radio. Now it's gone. I unplugged the radio. And now it's back. So yes, this is my radio. So what do I do? This is not hard as long as you know the path. So we're going to right click. We're going to update drivers. Browse my computer for drivers. We're going to browse. We're going to go to my C drive, program files x86, common files, RT Systems v5, RT drivers, Win USB. You noticed on every other one I click the little drop down, but on this one I click on the Win USB and tell it OK. Be sure Include Subfolders is checked and click Next. And the radio is on the whole time you're doing this. Takes you just a second to do it. And now the other has gone away. And under Universal Serial Bus Devices, I have DMR radio device. Come back to the program, Communications, Get Data from Radio, and OK. And now everything's working. We don't expect to see this often. We have tested this installation and these drivers on Windows 10 and Windows 11. But if your machine needs a little help getting those drivers in place, that's the process. As I said, you're welcome to call and we'll help. We'll get you going. So this is Karen. And remember, if you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. 73s.